Welcome to this new section. Here we are going to discuss about CCTV system. In this section, first you will see what are the most important benefits of the CCTV system. Then we'll go for the basic and essential components of the system. And in this part we will explain all the basic components of the CCTV system, like what type of video cameras we require, what are the display units, then recording devices and the cables, where cables are used to transmit the data captured by the video cameras to the DVRs or NVRs. Okay, then after the discussion on this theoretical part, finally we will go for the drafting part, where you will be introduced to drafting of the CCTV system in the AutoCAD software. Clear? So let's begin. Generally, CCTV stands for closed circuit television, and in the present world, the CCTV system allows you to keep an eye 24/7 on your nearby activities. Means, in this modern era or in this modern time, the CCTV system displaying you and recording as well as all the activities that are going in your building and the activities that are going around your building or premises. Okay. Then the video cameras and the display units. These devices enable you to view movements or activities of the people live. With the help of the cameras and monitors, you are able to monitor the live activities of the people. Then the recorders. So the recorders record the video footages and save it in their hard disk for the future references. Okay. So this is the brief introduction of CCTV system, and in the next video we will see the benefits of the system.